Welcome to 21st Century Health. I'm Jackie Bales. There are hundreds of teeth whitening products on the market, but many of them are gimmicky and just don't work as advertised. Others work, but they take days or weeks to show results. And some of these products are just too cumbersome to use. Whiten believes they have an alternative solution. To discuss it with us today, we have Joe Dwyer, Whiten president, and dentist Dr. Robert DePilla. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you very much.
Joe, first of all, what challenges do consumers face when they want to try to whiten their teeth?
In the past, consumers have had just a couple of different choices. They could go to the dentist, which a lot of people have done in the past, and they can get the procedure done there, which is very expensive. Mm-hmm. Or the other way they can do it, they can go to their local store, supermarket, drugstore, and get the over-the-counter products. They have the whitening strips, they have the toothpaste, the mouthwash. And the issues with those products is that they take a very long time to work, if they work. So, right. And that's the challenges that they're facing, before whitening.
So, Dr. DePilla, what is Whiten doing to put a brighter smile on these consumers?
Well, Jackie, about a year ago, Joe approached me and also with the Whiten team, and they wanted me to try out this product that they had, this whitening process. So I got the package, I brought it home. To my wife and I, we kind of took a look at it. And as soon as we opened up the box, I realized how simple it is to use. Number one, from the illuminator, the light source, the mouthpiece, and very important, these single-use dose gels. And once I used the system, and my wife, we found out, number one, it's very easy to use, it works, and guess what? Just 10 minutes, and you're done.
Sounds awesome. Well, in this 21st Century Health Field Report, we pay a visit to the specialists at Whiten to see just how their at-home solution is whitening teeth quickly and easily.
You're never fully dressed without a smile. And with the Whiten LLC system, the end goal is to ensure you smile even more.
I came to Dr. DePilla's about a week before my wedding, and I asked him for a product that would help me whiten my teeth, and he suggested I use Whiten. I tried it, and 3 days later I could see great results. It's impressive, the difference in 3 days only.
I absolutely love Whiten. I think it's the best product in the market. I've used other systems before, and I came to Dr. DePilla and he recommended Whiten. I've had really bad experiences with sensitivity, and I must say, after using the product for a while, I have experienced no sensitivity whatsoever.
Dr. Robert DePilla, one of America's top dentists, was so taken with the effectiveness of the system that he has become part of the Whiten team and their strongest advocate.
I'm an avid coffee drinker, and I was looking for something to remove the stains from my teeth. Whiten has absolutely done that. It only takes 10 minutes a day, and I have sparkling white teeth. I couldn't be happier.
To ensure these end results, and for such an elegant device to be created, a lot of work has to be done behind the scenes.
We're a 156,000 square foot facility that manufactures custom injection moldings and assemblies.
We have pre-production certifications that are performed as the material and the circuit boards come into the building. Then we go into the manufacturing process where we follow strict process controls in every step. Also in the assembly of the units, we have process controls there. Then each Whiten kit, as it's assembled, is fully charged, discharge tested before we pack them up and get them ready for shipment.
Whiten's ability to meet their own internal high standards and the expectations of end users is bolstered by a stringent approach to manufacturing policies and internal testing. Not only is Whiten's production line state-of-the-art, their ability to deliver product in a clean and timely fashion is grounded in solid technology. Whiten LLC is a company that believes in a simple, elegant, and streamlined process, from order intake to a satisfied customer, producing bright, healthy smiles all along the way.
Joe, how does Whiten work?
Well, Whiten works very similar to the dentist's office. It has the same blue LED technology that's been around in the dental community for many years. Mm-hmm. What separates Whiten from all the other over-the-counter products is that the Whiten illuminator actually puts out the same light intensity as if you were at a dentist's office. So we use the same type of gels. And in the mouthpiece, the way that it works is that you get the same oxidation process as you would at the dentist's office, and you get the same results. It takes a couple more treatments than at the dentist, but it works just like a dentist's office.
And at the same time, you're not sitting in the dentist's office for an hour. Normally, the dentist treatments take a while.
Yeah, and you know what? You can be whitening your teeth and texting, working on the computer, running around your house, doing whatever you want. You're not tied to a chair.
Excellent. Why does it work, Dr. DePilla?
Well, I'm going to get into more the science of it itself.
Great.
The gel itself that Whiten has is a 22% carbamide peroxide. That's just the whitening gel. And with the mouthpiece and illuminator, as it's activated, it accelerates the process. Joe alluded to earlier about the oxidation process. During the oxidation process, the gel is broken down to oxygen and also water. Now, this process is called oxidation. Now, this oxidation process will liberate these hydroxyl radicals. Now, these hydroxyl radicals get into the aberrations of the teeth, the cracks and the crevices that will actually lift up the staining from the tooth. This gel works better, it's more efficient. The main thing is it's safe.
How long is the procedure and how quickly do people see results?
The procedure itself is 10 minutes at a time, and actually you'll find results the first time that you use it. Within 3 to 5 days of using it, you'll get your optimal maximum result.
So, Dr. DePilla, what does the light do? Would it work without the light?
It probably would not work without the light. You maybe get some results, some minor results without the light, but this particular LED light is very specific for the acceleration of the breakdown of this carbamide peroxide. It's necessary, and that's why I love this product, and it works.
Joe, how is Whiten different from other home teeth whitening products? I mean, most of them don't have a light, for one thing.
Most of the other over-the-counter teeth whitening products, they only clean the surface of the teeth. Right? They'll clean if you had coffee that morning, red wine the night before, it'll do a pretty good job of cleaning that, but they don't do deep cleaning. That's what's so great about the Whiten product. And you know, just like at a dentist's office when you go to get it done, the dentists are doing a deep cleaning, and they do it very rapidly. Whiten does it quickly, not as quick as the dentist. It takes a couple of more treatments, but it does a deep cleaning. And it cleans and disinfects not only your teeth, but the gum line as well.
This is a different kind of mouthpiece, so it doesn't require nearly that much trouble and effort and cost.
Not at all. And one thing I love about this particular mouthpiece, like I mentioned before, it's PBA free. And number two, you can actually put in your dishwasher to sanitize it itself, which is wonderful.
And one of the other things about the mouthpiece, the way it's designed specifically to allow the gels to get up around the gum line. And it's done that way purposely. And what does it do when it hits the gum line?
When it hits the gum line, more importantly, as far as the carbamide peroxide, this peroxide will actually cleanse, eliminate bacteria that can cause periodontal disease, as well as gum disease, and also tooth decay itself.
Wow.
So it's not only a whitening product, it's great for your oral overall health.
Joe, can other whitening gels be used with your product?
Absolutely not. The gel for the Whiten gel is designed specifically to work with our device. Other gels, and not all gels are created equal. Right. So other gels have different concentrations of gel. Depending on how they're made and what thickeners and stuff are put in there to thicken up the gel, they may either break down too rapidly, and if they break down very rapidly, that could cause burning, blistering of the gums and lips, or they could break down more slowly and resulting in no effects at all. So our gel, the Whiten gel, is designed specifically to work with this light.
Now, Dr. DePilla, why is the design of the mouthpiece so important?
It is so important. Number one, what I love about this mouthpiece, it's PBA free. Number one, health concerns is very important. I have a family. I wouldn't recommend it to my patients if it wasn't safe. Number two, the design of the mouthpiece, the flexibility that it has, and also the way the gel adapts to it, and also how it forms around your mouth, works very, very efficiently.
And lastly, Joe, does your product need to be FDA approved?
Actually, no, it doesn't, because it's deemed as a cosmetic. However, at Whiten, we've taken steps, especially with our gel. Our gel is the one thing that we do not manufacture at our facility. However, we do have it manufactured at an FDA-approved facility for us, and the gels are made and filled in a medical-grade clean room. So even though it doesn't have to be FDA approved, we follow the FDA guidelines.
Wow. Well, thanks to both of you for coming on the show today and for sharing the whitening and enlightening things you're doing at Whiten.
Thanks for having us.
It was our pleasure. Thank you.
For 21st Century Health, I'm Jackie Bales. Thanks for watching.